So one last video before, well, it's probably already too dark, but sitting here in the hammock in the jungle. Sun's just setting for its final end. Sunset, sunrise is pretty early here. Sunset's about 5:30, sunrise is also 5:30 or so. So for Shannon and I, especially for Shannon, who's not much of a morning person, you know, the timing has been interesting on vacation, but go to bed early, wake up early, do a lot of stuff. Just gonna hold it out and let everyone listen to some of the bugs out here in the jungle. We'll have to see what it's like later tonight. If we don't survive the night, you'll know what got us.